Hello, my name is Siddhi Ghodke. I am studying at Government Industrial Institute Women's Nashik. Our institute is located in the heart of the Nasik city in Maharashtra. We are proud to be a trainee of the institute, which recently received the Best Institute of Maharashtra award. The institute has world-class training facilities. The computer operator and programming assistant lab developed by the institute under the STRIVE project has enabled us to conduct training on high-end computers. Also, the smart classrooms developed in the institute are making it easier for us to understand any subject. Under the STRIVE project, the equipment made available in the beauty studio of the institute is of high end and the raw material used for it is also branded. These advanced and well-equipped lab gives us opportunities to learn more practically and effectively. We are also given training in other hard skills as well as soft skills from time to time along with our routine training. Due to the on-job training provided by the institute, we got hands-on training experience. With the help of Strive, we were able to complete our OJT more safely and better as we were facilitated to travel from the institute to the company through a separate bus. The campus interviews conducted by the institute, we got more job opportunities. Along with this, the clean and green campus of the institute, the discipline of the institute, the daily prayers gives us more energy. NSS organizes cultural activities, health camps, yoga day, skill marathons, cleanliness awareness programs from time to time, which aware us to do more for the society. Thanks to ITI Women's and Strive project.